In this tutorial, I'll show you how to report a hacked Facebook friend. First step is to go to the Facebook application on your mobile device, and then hit the search bar. Next, open the account which you think it has been hacked, and then tap the three dots next to the message button and select Report Profile. Choose the option Something Else and also select Block for your safety, and then tap the Block button and tap on Unfollow. Go back and tap on Done to send your report. And that's it, guys. Whenever you are suspicious that your friend got hacked on Facebook, don't think twice about reporting the profile because it could be a danger on you and other friends in common. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.